Talk about resuming features by using their names. If you happen to have a feature that is suppressed, and notice that this one had some children that is suppressed with it, I'm also going to come here and suppress a couple of these coordinate systems also. So to resume these from Excel, all you have to do is type in the feature, and we want the resume function. There is a table variation on this. And by default, it's going to take the active model, which we're going to demonstrate here, but this will also work by giving the name of a model that's in session. It doesn't even have to be displayed, and this will still work. So in this case, we're going to come in and we're going to resume this basket openings here. So let's go in and say basket openings, and we'll probably want to do a regenerate at the end of this because we are modifying the model. And we'll do a go. And you'll notice that it did resume that feature. Now, it did not resume the children of that. That's a different function, but it was a pretty quick and easy thing to do. The other nice thing about this is you can also come in and use wildcards. So if we had something like screw star to kind of pick up on the names of these items here and press this, we're going to resume the other features again. It didn't need to be resumed because it was already active, but it did then in fact resume those items that were there too. So that's basically how it works.